Good evening. Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening, Marika. Whoever present today, kindly type your name and say good evening. Sumukha Santoshini, good evening, sir. Aniket, good evening. Tanush, good evening. Okay, Tanush. Purva Saini, good evening. Nishan, Aditya, Mokshagnya. Mokshagnya, you are in 9th year? I have sent you a worksheet in the group. Lily Roses, Samhita. Okay. Chiruhasini is not there. Venkata Meghana. Okay. Ananta Babu Jan. Hemachandra. Who is this Ananta Babu Jahnavi? Children, go through that worksheet. Means RS Agarwal worksheet I get. Objective type questions. Yeah. If you know the answer, you can say the answer. Otherwise, you can say that we don't know. Then I'll explain it. See the first question. In which quadrant does the point -7, -4 lies? In which quadrant the point -7, -4 lies? -7, -4. Third quadrant. Very good. Third quadrant. Third quadrant only both the coordinates are abscissa as well as ordinate. X coordinate, Y coordinate are negative. Now, see the second question, children. X greater than 0, Y less than 0. Then the point lies in which quadrant? X greater than 0 means X coordinate greater than 0. Y coordinate less than 0. X coordinate greater than 0, Y coordinate less than 0. Lies in which quadrant? Somebody, two people says first quadrant. Nishant and Venkata. But three people says fourth quadrant. 3, 4, 5. So many people says fourth quadrant. Only two people says first quadrant. So which is right? First quadrant or fourth quadrant? X greater than 0, Y less than 0. Yes, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is correct answer. Now, A less than 0. A less than 0, B greater than 0. A less than 0, B greater than 0. Then the point A comma B lies in which quadrant? A less than 0, B greater than 0, then the point A comma B lies in second quadrant. Very good. Second quadrant. Good. Now fourth question is a repeated question of first question. Fourth question, it is a repeated one. See, a point both of whose coordinates are negative lies in which quadrant? In a point, if both the coordinates are negative, lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Very good. Now question number 5. The point other than origin for which abscissa is equal to ordinate will lies in the quadrant. Abscissa equal to ordinate will lie in which quadrant? In which quadrant, in a point, abscissa and ordinate both are equal, lies in which quadrants? Some of your friends says third quadrant and some of your friends says 1 or 3. Which is right? 1 or 3 or 1 and 3? Or only 3? Yes, 1 and 3. In quadrant 1 and quadrant 3, we can observe points whose x coordinate and y coordinate both are equal. We can observe some points like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 10, 10, 100, 100 in first quadrant. And in third quadrant, -1, -1, -2, -2, -3, -3, -4, -4 like that. So, in first quadrant and in the third quadrant, we can observe points having same coordinates. X coordinate and y coordinate both are same. Now observe question number 6. The points -5, 3 and 3, -5 lies in which quadrant? -5, 3, 3, -5 lies in which quadrants? -5, 3 lies in, second and 4, correct. Second and 4, correct. -5, 3 lies in second quadrant. 3, -5 lies in fourth quadrant. Very good. Now observe these points, children. One minus 1, 2 minus 2, -3 -4, 4 minus 5. Four minus 5. So these points, see the four objectives given over there, four options, and tell me which one is right, which option is right. Points 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 2, minus 3 minus 4, 4 5, 4 comma minus 5 lie in the same quadrant. All lie in the second quadrant, all lie in the third quadrant, all lie in the fourth quadrant, do not lie in the same quadrant. Which is right? Yes, Hemachandra right. Millie Roses is also right. They will not lie in the same quadrant. They will not lie in the same quadrant. Okay, na? Now, question number 8, children. Question number 8. Zero comma minus 8 lies in which quadrant? 0 comma minus 8 lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant, fourth quadrant, on x-axis, on y-axis. Somebody says fourth quadrant. Aniket. 0 comma negative 8. It lies on which quadrant? On x quadrant, on y quadrant, on first quadrant or fourth quadrant, second or fourth. Which is right? On y axis. Very good. On y axis is right. Now, minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0 lies. Minus 7 comma 0 lies in which quadrant? It lies on negative direction of x-axis. It lies on negative direction of x-axis. Option A is right. Option A is right. Very good. Now, question number 10. Question number 10. Everyone read the question. The point which lies on y-axis and at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis. The point which lies on y-axis and at a distance of 5 units from the negative direction of y-axis. Yes. Which lies on y-axis. Lies on y-axis in negative direction of y, 5 units away. 5 units away. So this point is nothing but 0 comma minus 5. 0 comma minus 5. The point lies on y-axis and which is 5 units away from the 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis. 0 comma negative 5, right. Next question. the ordinate of every point on x-axis. The ordinate of every point on x-axis. Children, ordinate means, can anyone say ordinate means? What is the other name of ordinate? Other name of ordinate, y coordinate. Very good. Y coordinate. Very good. Other name of ordinate is y coordinate, right? So now read the question. The y coordinate of every point on x-axis. The y coordinate of every point on x-axis. X-axis మీద ఏ పాయింట్ కైనా y కోఆర్డినేట్ ఎంత? 0. Nana. See this point negative 2 comma 0. This point negative 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. 2 comma 0. This one 3 comma 0. So clearly we can observe y coordinate on x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate is 0. And on y-axis? On y-axis? On y-axis. For every point on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Yeah, axes are 0. This is 0 comma 3, 0 comma 2, 0 comma negative 1, 0 comma negative 3. You can observe that. Okay, na? So 12th question is that one only. If the y coordinate of a point is 0, then the point lies always on x-axis. Now, see the 13th question, children. 13th one. See the 13th one. 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 4, 0 comma 4 are 4 given points. Then the figure OABC is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 3 comma 4. What we will get? 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 0 comma 4. This is 0 comma 4. And 3 comma 4. These are the 4 points. If we join all those 4 points, what we will get? What figure we will get? What we will get, right? Rectangular, square. We will get rectangle. We'll get rectangle whose length is 4 units, breadth is 3 units. Area 12, perimeter 14. Area 12, perimeter 14. Next question. See the question number 14. Question number 14, children. A minus 2, 3, B minus 3, 5. A minus 2, 3, B minus 3, 5 are two given points. Then abscissa of A minus abscissa of B. Abscissa of A minus abscissa of B. Abscissa of A minus abscissa of B. Answer 1. The answer is 1. Next, the perpendicular distance of a point 3, 4 from y-axis. The perpendicular distance of a point 3, 4 from y-axis. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3, 4 is this point. Now you tell me what is the perpendicular distance of this point from y-axis? From y-axis. Where is y-axis? This is y-axis. And how far it is away from y-axis? This length. This length we need to see. This length is same as this length. So 3 units. Understood, children? So the point 3, 4 is at a distance of 3 units from y-axis. From y-axis. Okay? Now, abscissa of a point is positive in. Abscissa of a point or abscissa of any point is positive in which quadrants? Abscissa positive. Abscissa positive in which quadrants? First quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. Very good. First quadrant abscissa positive. Abscissa means x coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. So x coordinate is positive in first quadrant as well as in fourth quadrant. Here, in this quadrant and in this quadrant, both are in both the quadrants, abscissa is positive. Next question. The point at which the two coordinate axes meet is called. What is the point of intersection of two coordinate axes? Point of intersection of both the coordinate axes is called as origin. Correct. Origin. Very good. Now, question number 18. The point whose ordinate 3 and which lies on y-axis is the point whose ordinate is 3 and which lie on y-axis. The point whose ordinate is 3 and which lies on y-axis. Right. 0, 3. Correct. Ordinate 3. Ordinate means y coordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. Y coordinate 3. Y coordinate is 3 and lies on y axis means 0, 3. Correct. Next one. Question number 19. Which of the following points lies on the line y is equal to 2x plus 3? Just you insert the values. What is the line? What is the line given? Y is equal to 2x plus 3. What are the options given? A 2, 8. B 3, 9. C 4, 12. D 5, 15. Now children, what you have to do is just first insert x, y, x, y, x, y, x, y. Now insert this one first, x place of 2. Keep here y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. But y is 8 here, so this will not work out. This will not work out. Now put 3. Put 3 here. 2 3s plus 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3 9. So this will work out. Okay, now just insert it. Y 9 na? 9 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3, right? So option B is right. Option B is right. Now in the same way, answer the 20th question. See the 20th question, children. Which of the following point does not lie? Does not lie. In the mundu lie and cheppan, does not lie. Two comma 10. What is the equation given over there? Y is equal to 3x plus 4. Does not lies. 1 comma 7 we'll see. 7 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 4. Yeah, 7 equal to 7. So 1 comma 7 lies. 2 comma 10. So answers are there. Answers are there. That's why you are giving the answers direct, straight away. So 2 comma 10 does not lies on that line. but this model is not there for you. This model is not there. You can leave that one. So that's all about coordinate geometry. Tomorrow we can see Heron's formula questions. Okay, thank you very much for today. Again we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you.